You use the gradient tool to create a gradient fill, a gradual blend between multiple colors. You have a few preset gradient layers, but you can also create your own. You create a gradient in an image by clicking and dragging within a selection or on top of a layer. To apply a gradient effect, first choose the area to which you want to apply it. In this case, I want to select the leaves on the flower. So I go for the Quick Selection tool to make a selection. Just by clicking in the leaves, going round and... oh, sorry. Let's choose the normal one. Click around. And make the selection for the leaves and also for the middle of the flower. And when you're done, like this, let's select the gradient tool from the toolbar and take a look at the options bar. First you have the gradient selection drop-down, and here you select which gradient you want to use. I choose this one. The Edit button will launch the gradient editor, but we're not going to go into that now. When you hold your mouse over the buttons, the name will appear. First, there's the linear gradient tool, which shades from the starting point to the ending point in a straight line. Radial gradient will shade from the starting point to the end point in a circular pattern. Angle gradient shades in a counterclockwise sweep around the starting point. Reflected gradient shades symmetric linear gradients on either side of the starting point. And the diamond gradient shades from the starting point to the ending point in a diamond shape. We choose the linear gradient, and after that you can look to the mode drop-down list to select which blending mode you want to use. We go for linear burn. By setting opacity, you can set the transparency of the gradient. Let's put this to, let's say 60 will be fine. If you click reverse, the order of the colors will be reversed. The dither checkbox will give you a smooth gradient. We leave that checked. And for user transparency mask, we also leave this checked. Then to use your gradient, you just click from the starting point to the ending point. If you want to have a 45-degree angle, just press the Shift key while you're drawing the start and ending point. And then just click and drag to see which effect it gives you. You can change to try another effect. I think this one was really nice. And here you go.